Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you the best method to freeze cabbage for the best success. Here's a clip from the show. And what I want to do with these is I want to go ahead and slice these up today. I'm going to blanch those and then drop them into the freezer. So basically, I'll cut it really thin like I would for coleslaw, blanch it, freeze it, and then in the winter time I use that in my stir fries. I basically use them like noodles. I'll make a marinara sauce and then just warm up the cabbage with a little bit of garlic butter, and oh my gosh, is that a great meal. So that's a great way to use up the extra cabbage when you have this many. I got 2 big heads. This was needs a little bit of bath, and then it'll be ready to slice up as well. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 19. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.